Welcome back to Jolly Darling Travel. Today I am going to be doing a little DIY. If you watched my Hobby Lobby video, you know that I picked up this patch and this hat, and I'm going to do a quick little DIY with that. And then I am off to Hobby Lobby because I have been noticing everyone is taking their plushies and turning them into keychains. So I'm hoping that this is what I can do with my little UFUFYs that I totally forgot I had, and now I'm going to repurpose. So if Disney DIYs are your thing, please stick around because I'm going to attempt to do something that I have not done in a long time, and that is iron on a patch, which who can't do that, and also sew somehow my little UFUFYs onto a keychain. So stick around. I'm going to switch back and forth from the Osmo Pocket 3 to my iPhone 16 Pro Max. The dogs are going to flip out in the back. So I'm going to head over to Michael's, see if I can find something for these little guys because it is Sunday, so Hobby Lobby's closed. So stick around. So thankfully I live really close to most major stores, so I'm just going to go pop over to Hobby Lobby. I do have to make an exchange of these candles because unfortunately I don't think the Cinderella one really is for me, but I do have the body wash. I just don't feel like the other one's for me. Target acquired. The lady from Michael's was so nice. She helped me find both the things that I need. So now I just need some thread and I think a needle, and that's it. Okay, I just got back from the store. I have all my materials. I think I got the right stuff. I have to try to set up somewhere where I can do this very easily so you can watch, but I don't have like this workspace for crafts. So give me a minute. Let me get it all together and then we'll get into this. This is like the cutest little thing I got on Amazon. I feel like when I'm doing patches, I have such a hard time with the iron, and this was like literally the cutest little thing for $10 on Amazon. So I'm gonna use this. I have the hat, I have my patch. Don't mind my little setup because I'm so sorry. This is not a crafting channel, so you'll just have to bear with me. I'm trying to do the best that I can. I have my little standing table for my my walking pad. Actually, let me see if I can raise the camera just a little bit. No, because then you won't see my hands, and we want to see my hands, and we want to see this. So if I stand maybe at this end of the table. All right, I'm gonna, yeah, it's getting warm. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. Don't laugh at me. I'm gonna have to wear my glasses for this video because there is no way I'm going to be able to thread a needle without them. I went and got some string, and I think actually that's sort of close, but I also got this one. Actually, that one's gonna match perfectly for my UFUFYs. And then you saw me get the little rings. I don't know which one to do, if I should do the small one or if I should do the big one. But I think first, let's do the hat because that seems to be the easiest. And hi, just keep following along. And this is not a crafting channel, so this is my makeup area. I'm going to throw all this stuff over here. I can't take this little iron and it matches my outfit. I did not plan that, I promise you. Like I said, I am living in these comfort outfits, and there's a little, like, you can keep it plugged in all the time, but this is so cute. I'm really excited. Okay, so that's getting warm. Oh, I have the wrong patch. This is not the patch I'm using. Hang on. That patch. Uh-oh. Where's my other patch? Hold on. I'm back. It's this patch. We are going to use this patch. So essentially, like when I'm in the parks, I prefer to wear hats mostly during the day just because I don't want to get my face all sun damaged. So I love my jean hat that I got from Main Street Couture. It's got little like Mickey head pearls, but I feel like sometimes it's a little fancy, so I kind of wanted to go with like a little coquette version. So this is like one of those peel ones. I'm gonna be really honest, like it's kind of funky in the back, so I really hope this works. So I'm just gonna place it on the hat where I want it, which is dead center. Like this is not hard at all. This is actually a press and seal. So I'm leaving the paper in the hat as I'm pressing this. But when my mom did my jean jacket for the treasure, so the reason why I bought this little steamer is because, iron is because our iron only has a steam, you can't turn the steamer off. So I figured, let me buy this, and now I got a little kitchen towel. It's very awkward to try to do a hat, it's not very easy, but my mom did my other hat for me, but my mom's not here to be in the vlog. So let's just kind of cover it this way. And I guess you're just going to have to press the hat down. It's just going to be what it's going to be, right? Because we want to make sure we get through. And now I'm going to take my little iron. You guys can see this. And I'm going to hold it on and hope, here you can see, hope that it sticks, because a lot of the time I get these things and I'm going to be honest, they don't end up sticking very well. Ooh, that might have worked. Oh, I think that worked. And you know what? Because this is so little, I think I'm just going to go right over the top of it just to be extra sure. I don't think it is maybe what I should do, but I'm going to do it because I feel like it's not going to hurt it, right? Little iron. It's so cute. And I think that's it. Let me just see. I'm not going to push it off. Okay, I don't want to push it off. But I feel like that's it. So I'm just going to keep pressing it and make sure it sticks. But this is going to be so cute. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. How do you guys feel? Do you like it? Because I'm kind of obsessed. This is so cute. I'm kind of freaking out. Okay. All right. So now that we have the hat secured, now is the hard part, the UFUFY. So let's put the hat in a safe little place. I just dropped it. We'll just put it right here by my printer. This office is like such a multifunctional office. I do everything in this room. All right, let's turn the little mini iron on. Just a minute for the iron. And look at the little happy face. It's just so happy. All right, let's turn this guy off because we don't want to burn anything. I'm going to put him away. And now let's try to figure out this UFUFY. So I was talking with the lady inside Michael's, and she said I should literally just take the string and like loop it. All right, let me get this set up and I'll be right back. This is gonna work. This string I thought was like regular string, or not string, but like sewing string, but it's like, wait, oh, I think wait, somebody help me, because I thought this was just one big piece, but maybe I'm wrong. Where's my grandma when I need her, right? I miss my grandma. We used to sew and do this kind of stuff all the time together, and I feel like this is thick for a piece of string. So I want to say, yeah, you do. You have to pull this apart. Okay, let me go grab my scissors. The worst part about this craft right now is trying to unravel this string because it's literally, I don't know what I was thinking, but it was, I wasn't going to buy a whole, you know, thing of, what's this even called? Yeah, thread. I wasn't going to buy a whole bobbin of thread because I didn't need a whole bobbin of thread. Oh, there we go. So I have a piece off. Okay. You can't see it, but I've successfully retrieved this piece. And so now I'm going to, oh my gosh. And P.S. if my hands look dry on camera, I'm sorry. I didn't want to put lotion on because I didn't want to get oil on the stuff that I'm working on. And it's winter and I live in the tundra and I really hope you're still watching even though I'm rambling. All right, I'm going to just get this little, I know, I got the chicken cutting scissors out. There's no chicken that have been cut. I don't know where the other ones are. And I get impatient. When I do crafts, I get impatient and I just want to see the final outcome. So literally, I sometimes just do what I gotta do. Okay. I have my glasses on. Put my grandma move it on. I still have. There we go. I did it. I thread the needle. All right. So now let's. Alright, so now you gotta put a little a little knot in the bottom. And this is something I swear I wish I would have remembered, like from high school, because I did take a class where you learned how to sew, which I'm pretty sure nobody in the generations to come do that anymore. Which I think you probably should because it's a helpful thing. Alright, I think I can finally cut my little UFUFY tags off. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so cute on my bag. So let's cut her little tags off. I've had these for a really long time, and I don't even remember like why did I find them? Found them somewhere, but anyhow, I didn't come up with this idea. Obviously, there's other vloggers, there's other content creators, there's other park people that are doing this. I don't know if I should be cutting the tag, but whatever. So I just figured, you know what? I think it's really cute and I want to do it. So I think I'm going to put the little keychain right here. So the way the lady was telling me to do it is put it right here and then just kind of thread around it. But I wonder if that's going to give me enough laxity. Ooh, and these don't really bend back and forth. So I feel like I might need to use the bigger one. Which I think will be, yeah, I think I'm going to use the bigger one because this actually has a little more dangle to it, where this one, it's not, if you can see it, it's not dangling where this one is. So I think I'm going to go with the bigger one. Alrighty. And we're just going to pinch her right there and just, I think, just do it. Alright. It's been so long. I haven't sewn in a really long time, so if you're somebody who does this, please don't judge me. We'll get this in here. I forget how to do this. I think you gotta put this through. It came right out. This thread might not be thick enough. Alright, let's see. Because this material is super, super, super. So let's just try to... Maybe if I double knot it. I really hope this works out because if not, this is going to be pretty embarrassing for my vlog, right? Okay, put a double knot in. That seems to be holding it for right now. And now I'm just going to take this little guy and just kind of go around him. Making about a bajillion mistakes here, but you know what, guys, it's Disney. It's not like it's gotta be on my bag all the time, so we're not gonna stress out about this. This is just something fun. just a little extra for the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna just continue to grab this. I don't think this is gonna stay, but if I have to keep going and going and going, I think I will, but she's working. It's working! It's working! Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this, so we'll just speed up the footage, okay? Okay, so I went around and around and around, and then I went sideways, because I think that's kind of how you lock it in there, basically. But I'm just gonna keep going and going right now because it needs some help. The only thing is, I don't know how to, when you're done with the string, I forget what it is you're supposed to do. My grandma used to always do that part for me, so hopefully, I think you just like cross it in, and then I think you just, I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna do another little cross hatch in here. I think like you have to do something in that here, and then you just kind of, then you lock it up. But because this is, you know, gonna be dangling around on my bag, I feel like I want to just put a few more into it. This is actually coming out way better than I thought. I really wasn't sure how I was gonna do this, and this matches so nice. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but you can hardly see. Like, it doesn't really, it's not super noticeable. So now I just gotta figure out what I'm doing with this. I think you have to do like a little knot. So we're gonna leave the pin on. We're gonna leave the needle on. Oh, anyone who sews, if you're probably still watching, you are probably cringing at everything that I'm saying. And then I believe you just, whing, and there you go. She's so cute. I am so impressed with myself. Okay, hang on. Let me just grab a bag so you can see what it looks like on. Grabbed one of my bags. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Fits in there perfectly. She looks so cute. Now all I gotta do is the Mickey, which I'll do him off camera because I don't want to, you know, make you guys wait and see this entire time. But oh, does this not look cute or what? Please let me know in the comments what you think. Would you wear this? I am so excited, and I am just so excited. Okay, let me do the Mickey and I'll be right back. Well, I completed both DIYs. I did Minnie and the Mickey. I did him off camera just because it was a little bit easier. Plus, I did a little TikTok, Instagram videos so that everyone on those the short form videos can see. And so Mickey came out so cute. Minnie came out so cute. I'm so excited about this hat. Like, I'm just so proud of myself. What do you guys think? Let me know. Would you do this? Correct my stitching if you may. Put it into the comments. Let me know what your DIYs are for your trip. I would love to see it, and come back for the next one. But you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and do all the things.